because you guys might have the same problems as well, being a small YouTuber.
They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel and happy whatever day you are watching this. I hope you guys are having a good day so far in this little spend the morning with me. You guys are going to see me right now just wash my face, brush my teeth, do all the essential things that we do in the morning before we start our day. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria Lachey. For those of you that are new, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. If you are a new subscriber, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we love to have you here. I feel like this lighting is a little bit off. So you guys, as you can see by this title, I am going to be filming a spend the morning with me. I'm gonna be just doing my makeup a little bit, I guess doing a little chit chat get ready with me. In a way, I've never done a get ready with me. I honestly don't really know how they go, but I'm pretty sure it's not much to it. But I'm not doing a lot of makeup. I'm just doing a basic little everyday eyebrows, lashes, or not lashes, but you know, mascara, lip gloss. That's really it. I don't do concealer, I don't do foundation, I don't do any of that. So I'm about to switch this angle. I'm not liking it at all. Hold on, y'all. Okay, back with a better angle. Ignore the background, and this mirror is so dirty, so ignore that too, but this is a little bit better. Okay, y'all, so there's been actually something I was trying to figure out, like what to talk about during the get ready with me, and there's been a few things on my mind just regarding like YouTube and how I feel about like my channel, where I want my channel to go, goals, and if I feel like I'm meeting the goals or not. I'm sure if you guys are smaller YouTubers, you probably have the same issues being a small YouTuber, but basically I just have been feeling like, so as you guys know, if you watch my channel, then you know that I do a lot of vlogs. Vlogging is the thing that I like to do the most on YouTube, and to me, I've been feeling like it takes me a long time to vlog and edit YouTube videos, especially editing vlogs. Like if I was to film like a regular sit down video, like a haul or something, it would not take me that long. But specifically vlogs, they take a long time to edit, like literally hours and hours and hours and hours and days of editing. So I've been feeling like I'm not getting as many views as I would like to get like on my vlogs, and I work really hard on them. So like lately I've been feeling like I want to do vlogs eventually once I get like a following and then people actually care about what I post. But right now maybe just do, I don't even know. That's the thing. Like I don't really know what kind of videos to do. Like I want to do easier videos to edit, so like I can put out more videos like twice a week instead of once a week. So maybe like routines and like simple stuff that doesn't take me as long to edit as vlogs do. So if any of you guys have ideas, recommendations of what kind of videos to do other than vlogs, even though I love vlogging, please leave them down below. Please help me out, because honestly, I don't know. I do have some ideas, but I just kind of feel like I don't want to do those at the moment. Most of them involve money, and I'm not trying to spend money. I'm actually trying to save to move out of state, so that's not really, I don't want to spend a whole lot of money, you know? And nowadays I feel like with the YouTube videos, you kind of have to spend money just in order to get content, you know? So I don't know. That's just my small little rant. I'm pretty much going to fast forward the rest of this little small get ready with me. So yeah.
I'm finding ways to articulate the feeling I'm going through. I just can't say I don't love you, 'cause I love you. Yeah, it's hard for me to communicate the thoughts that I
I am done with the makeup. No makeup look. It's giving. My skin is so clear, y'all. I don't use no foundation, no concealer. Sometimes I do use concealer around like my eyebrows to make them pop more, but I didn't do that today. And I'm just loving my skin right now. Yo, my background is so dirty, y'all. I just came back. What is today? I didn't even tell y'all today. Today is Sunday, November 27th, and I just came back from like Thanksgiving at my boyfriend's family's house. So I still got all my bags and stuff from back there. I did get 2 little purses. Should I show y'all? I'm gonna show y'all. I know this is a morning routine. Spend the morning with me, but well, it's not even a morning routine. It's pretty much spend the morning with me. So I'm gonna show y'all the 2 little purses that I got from Forever 21. It was Black Friday, obviously. I didn't really do any shopping besides those two purses because I saw them and they were like, one was like $12 and the other one was like $15. So I was like, yes, I'm definitely getting them. But let me show y'all. By the way, my boyfriend bought me these purses. I don't know if I just said that or not, but he bought them for me. So yes, number 1 is this purse right here. This is like tan. I don't even know if y'all can see this, true to color, but it's basic and I don't really mind wearing cheap purses, like, because I want a lot of them, so I don't have money to be buying hella expensive purses. This is what we're gonna be wearing for now. This says that it was, I think, 25, but the tag's not on here, or like the price isn't on here, but it was 30% off. So basically that was the price. This is how it looks. Has a little, obviously, zipper, and this is just so cute, you know, like to just throw on and go. Very cute. And then the next purse, oh, actually I got 2 other things that I forgot I even got. This is the other purse. So freaking cute. These purses, I feel like were so popular like in my high school, or like way back. Not way back, I graduated in 2015, but these were popular then, and I don't know, I still like them. So this is how it looks. It's just black, and then it has a little whatever this is to like open it. You can also stretch it to be a really long, oops, let me scoot back, really long purse, so you can like wear it long, or you can wear it like this as well. So very cute. This was, yeah, this one says 25. I think the other one was a little bit cheaper than this one, so that one was probably like $11 and this one was probably like 15 on sale, basically. So yeah, the other 2 random things that I got was this brush. Not that I needed it, but look at it. It's literally, it has my fingerprints on it. Y'all see my ghetto little stand to hold up my stuff? I have tripods, but I want new tripods. Like I have this big tripod right here, but it doesn't really, it's too big to go on top of a table, and then I have 2 other small ones, but they fall and it's not that good. So yeah, this is what we're working with right now. A little brush, and then I also have these gold combs, like so freaking cute. This was $3 probably on sale, and then, or this was $3 before the sale, so I'm sure it was like a couple dollars, and then this was $5, but I think before the sale. So that's all the stuff that I got from Forever 21. I'm about to actually put some clothes on and go to get me some Dunkin' Donuts because I have a free Dunkin' drink because I have 633 points, as y'all can see right there, and I'm probably gonna get just a, it says small, medium, or large hot or iced coffee, so I'll probably get a large iced coffee basically. So I'm gonna get dressed and I will see y'all there. My outfit is literally so basic, I really shouldn't even do an outfit of the day, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So I'm wearing this Reebok long sleeve, like kind of workout shirt. It's from the Goodwill. I have these Victoria's Secret like pink jogging pants, or I mean leggings, that I've literally had for so long now. I don't even know where I got them from. I probably got them from Plato's Closet. I think I thrifted them actually. And then I have on my bubble slides.
Wanted me, I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. What you do, what you do.
We've made it.
Hello, give me 1 second.
Hi, no problem.
Can we get for you, Vin?
Can I please have a chocolate donut? And then can I also please have a medium caramel iced coffee with liquid cream and sugar?
Medium caramel cream, liquid sugar.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's all.
All right. Can I have you pull forward?
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, let me pull out my coupon for my free coffee.
Hi, $5.69.
Thank you. And then, oh,
It'll be
$176.
$1.76.
Okay. Sorry, thank you.
You have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. I always wonder if like they can see my camera or not. But it's okay. I don't even know if she was in it, to be honest. It smells very burnt, like they burnt something. Y'all heard what I ordered for my coffee. This looks amazing. Y'all, I don't even know if y'all can really see it like that. Probably not, but it looks good. So I've made it back home. I am currently chilling on the balcony and it's semi-cold, but I really want to, oh, never mind. Y'all, I was about to come out here and write in my journal. Look at this chair. Because it wanted to rain. It's my fault for leaving it out here.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be. Hands on my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, barely get rest. Catch to the moon, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Shit not a dress, clean up a mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. Who's on the team? In the club, boy, like I Hoobity Jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, don't get used to the rest. With this school, where they teach you for this. I heard this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss, man, I keep catching the dance. Go to cool fast when they in with an S.
Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, in them a fold, send on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger windows, and I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold.
Hey y'all, back on the camera. As y'all can see, I just finished cleaning up the room. I showed y'all a little brief overview, but it's no longer as messy, or no longer messy at all like it was before. So yeah, it is currently almost noon. Oh, it's 11:50, almost noon. My morning is basically over with, honestly. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for spending the morning with me. It was very productive. And now I actually think I'm about to finish it off with a little bit of editing. So I'm going to edit and then I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss a video that I upload. Love you guys and see you in my next video.
When I'm T, she got the titty sound. She want the T.